What's up, guys? We're gonna brobeatz. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make some melodic but still dark type beats. If you do end up enjoying the video, make sure you hit that sub button and turn post notifications on so you don't miss a video. Let's hop into it. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with the melody. So this is the guitar I'm using. Okay, obviously. For the scale, I think like a D minor would be good. I think a D minor, and then BPM 140. So let's go in here. And our goal for our melody here is we want to keep coming back to these tension notes, okay? Because usually when you play around with these tension notes, obviously most of you already know you kind of get like a dark vibe to it, right? Now when you go off of these, you kind of go to these notes, it starts to sound very like happy almost, or melodic, right? So starting and then ending on these notes, you can kind of combine the two a little bit. So let's actually use these, and I'm gonna do a thirds actually. See, hopefully we can make something nice. I want these to stand out a little bit more, so I'm gonna okay, I like that. Just copy this all the way over. Simple melody here. And then we could just change it up like that. Do something like this. Very simple, right? Very, very simple. Let's try this. All right, I want to change some of these notes up, so we're just gonna move some of these down a bit, shrink them. Okay, it's all a part of the melody process. Let's see. Okay, I like that a lot better. Pull that over, and then I'm gonna take this so it kind of goes back into this over here. Okay, okay, I like that. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to our other instruments. Okay, so now we're gonna like do our bass notes kind of. So what you can do is actually take your lowest notes. If you like don't have a chord and you just have a plain melody, you take this lowest note, make a chord backwards, and you can kind of land on some notes that may work, right? Because these are all in harmony. So you can just remember some of these notes. The E might work. The A, probably like an A sharp as well. So I'm gonna remember these notes. Okay, and you can come over here. This is our piano. And then we can probably go a little bit lower. So we could just kind of play around with some of these notes. And then if we take this note right here, we can go up and pull this down and see if that works. Kind of like this one. And let's copy this up. So that will be our little bass. Okay, I like that. So now we can just make a little piano melody up here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do our top melody for our piano. So I'm gonna steal from this, and I'm gonna just literally take this note because this is very consistent throughout. So I'm gonna do the same thing here, and kind of be lazy with it. So probably go up. Just copy these over. Then I'm gonna pull this up an octave. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see a little bit more of what I'm doing. We are still in the 1/3. Okay, let's make it dyad. See if we can do like a little. Okay, I'm gonna copy this over. I should just copy the whole thing. And then let's go up. And then we can add like some little melodies over here. Okay. Just make sure y'all can see all these notes in the grid and stuff. Okay. So over here, if we make a chord from here and go up, we'll hit this E, and then we can just probably play around with some of these notes. And I'm holding shift and my mouse wheel to scroll it across. Just get like a more organic offset. Okay, that sounds pretty good to me. I like that. So let's go ahead and move on to the next instrument. All right, so now we have a violin. So these are just like other sounds. We can just kind of fill up the space. This is what I'm using. Okay, I'm gonna be lazy on this one. I'm gonna just keep it quick because we spend a lot of time on other stuff. So we could just use that original bass line. Pull it down. Okay, I think that's good for the violin. Just adds a little bit more depth to it. So now we can use our bell. All right, so this is the bell I chose. Just kind of like the way it sounds, and I put the reverb all the way up. Probably should turn this up. Okay, so we're still in the thirds, 1/3 beat. So I'm gonna just find a spot for this. Shift D. these up just a bit. Can't really hear. Oops, let's put one at the end. Okay, I like that. Pretty simple. So now we can go ahead and move on to our drums. All right, so now we're throwing in our 808. So just remember that pattern we have, and let's throw it in. Shift D. Now. Copy this over. I want to do like a slightly different one, and then we can just add like okay, that's enough variation. I'm gonna have to adjust this, but let's go ahead and we can do like the snares and stuff. All right, so we're pretty much done. We're gonna go ahead and do the drums now. Real quick, I'm gonna turn my guitar up an octave, okay, because I feel like it just stands out more like this. So I'm gonna keep it that way. I'm gonna turn these off though, so we can just listen to the drums. Let's get this out the way, and then probably do like a little pattern. I kind of want to go with something slower. I don't really like this grid. Let's try this. Just want something like, there we go. And then we could pan these. Let's see. Okay, I like that. So let's play the whole thing all together. Here is the finished beat. Alright, and that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.